wanted to say have a happy holiday today.
Yes, whatever holiday it is that you're celebrating around the world, whether it's Happy Easter,
Happy Ramadan,
or Happy Passover.
we wish you the best day of all.
That's right. And I'm Shirley.
And it is day 90 of our 164-day around the world cruise.
90 days, holy heck.
Oh my gosh, it's a nice round number though.
Yeah, it's a round number, all right.
So today is our first stop in the Middle East. Where are we, Shirley?
We're in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
And what are we doing today?
And today I'm going on a women's tour and getting a little local insight of the old town of Jeddah by a woman.
Yes, and I'm doing an Old Town tour as well. It's a co-ed tour for women that don't want to go on the women's tour. And then we'll meet up later for lunch and compare notes. We've had some interesting preparations for this stop. What did we do, Shirley?
Well, first of all, in all the bar areas on the ship, the alcohol is now gone and locked away somewhere where probably the authorities won't find it.
So no morning margarita for me, that's for sure.
No. And if you want a bloody, you're out of luck.
Yes, you are. And some other interesting things, you know, you can't show any signs of public affection out walking around. So
yeah, this is out.
It's a good thing we're separated today because, you know, we're a little bit touchy-feely.
I thought that would be best because I have a tendency to grab Mark's arm, hold his hand, lean on him, give him kisses, and that would not be acceptable at all. I don't want to end up in jail in Saudi Arabia.
No, sure don't. So, hey, I think we better get to the Star Theater and get ready for our tours.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's move and see what's inside in the beautiful historical site.
You have a nice guy. She's very nice. She's one of the best. Yes. So you are lucky to get her. Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here in Old Town Jeddah, and it's very quiet today. Ramadan, everybody's resting, waiting for the fast break. I so wish we were here in the evening when everything's going to be open and activity and people, but this is what it is. Old Town Jeddah.